Introducing Metalli services by Neiman as supplied by Mercury Wood Products. This is a beautiful German-made patented surfacing material on a 3/4 inch panel. As you can see here, there's a lot of depth and a lot of warmth. This product is available in 14 different choices, which are all situated in front of me here on the table. I'm going to go through them in a bit more detail so you can see what you get to choose from. First of all, Champagne Gold was the first color I showed you, which is available in a total of 3 different textures. They're called Used, Matte and Crumble. Moving on to a beautiful copper finish, we have the same textures. We have a matte finish, we have a used finish, and we have a crumble or beaten up finish, as I like to call it as well. Moving on to nice warm, deep grey titanium metallics. 3 textures again, all available from stock, like everything I'm showing you right here. And then on to another 3 textures in our steel finish, again matte, used, as I like to call it, the kitchen sink look, and the crumble finish again. To round out the 14 choices, we have a standalone finish called Chrome, which has got a nice blue tint to it on the metallic. And finally, last but not least, a nice black crumble finish, which emphasizes a metallic look on a black surface. The other strong feature on this material, or this product line, is the edge treatment. The edge treatment is a superior, beautiful blend with the top of the panel. You see a very good illustration there that I'm holding up. On all these samples, there's beautiful edging. Some of the edging is available as with a black accent, I should call it, along the edge of the panel as well. You get to choose between the clean edge banding that I've shown you and the black accent on the edge. And finally, as another feature is the rear of each panel, which comes as a neutral dark grey. The neutral dark grey fits very nicely inside cabinets. The sample selection is all within this beautiful, attractive box, which is available through us. Through us, I mean through your sales rep, I mean by picking up the phone and calling us, or by contacting us on our website. Thank you very much.